Hi there, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most beloved and nutritious fruits out there, the humble banana. From heart health to energy, there are so many reasons to love this versatile fruit. So let's get started. 1. Potassium for a healthy heart. Did you know that bananas are a great source of potassium? Potassium is an essential mineral that helps regulate your heart rate and blood pressure. So if you're looking to maintain a healthy cardiovascular system, make sure to include bananas in your diet. 2. Fiber for digestive health. Bananas are also high in fiber, which can help keep your digestive system running smoothly. In fact, just one medium banana contains about 3 grams of fiber. So if you're feeling a little backed up, try eating a banana to get things moving. 3. Bananas are a great source of energy. They're packed with natural sugars, such as fructose and glucose, which can give you a quick boost when you're feeling tired or low on energy. So next time you need a pick-me-up, try reaching for a banana instead of a sugary snack. 4. Antioxidants and vitamin C. Bananas are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your body from free radicals and reduce the risk of certain diseases. They're also a good source of vitamin C, which can help boost your immune system and keep you healthy. 5. Low-calorie and filling. Bananas are a low-calorie, low-fat food, making them a great choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Plus, they're filling and satisfying, so you won't be left feeling hungry after eating one. 6. Nutritious for athletes. Bananas are a great source of nutrients for athletes and those who are physically active. They can help replenish lost electrolytes and provide a quick source of energy before or after a workout. 7. Versatility. And finally, bananas are incredibly versatile. You can eat them on their own, slice them up and add them to your morning oats or smoothie, or even use them in baking to add moisture and sweetness. Well, there you have it. 7 amazing benefits of eating bananas. From their versatility to their many nutritional perks, it's easy to see why bananas are a go-to fruit for so many people. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious snack, consider reaching for a banana. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more healthy living tips and ideas. Thanks for watching.